Bitrise provides solutions that save time and costs for your mobile team. While Bitrise CI minimizes the risk of releasing bugs into production, release management ensures that only authorized individuals can take actions with user-facing results. For a mobile app, you cannot roll back a faulty release, and it can cause significant damage to your reputation and your business. Even after a quick hotfix, it may take weeks for most users to update their application and receive the fix. Fortunately, we have a solution to prevent this. When your team works on a Bitrise CI project, team members can have one of 3 specific roles that define which permissions are granted to them: admins, developers, and testers. Admins can manage workflows, developers run build jobs, and testers can access only the testable artifacts without risking breaking the CI pipeline. But who should manage the app releases? Only the admins? Or also developers or even testers? Each mobile team has a different opinion about this. For some, a dedicated DevOps group is responsible, while other teams let any experienced team members deal with app releases or rotate this task among themselves. So the answer depends on who you ask. To address this, Bitrise introduced the specific permission in Bitrise's release management add-on, authorizing users to manage app release tasks. This dedicated permission can help control the release, ensuring that your users will only get the production-ready version of your app. Team members with admin roles can assign release manager permissions to any project member, including developers and testers. These users will have the right to manage release stages, modify release notes and app descriptions, submit app versions for store review, and roll out new versions to users. Other team members will have read-only access, allowing them to follow the release process without the risk of affecting your users. Get started with Bitrise Release Management today and release your apps to the App Store or Google Play in a streamlined, transparent, and secure way.